Giannis Antetokounmpo's luxe Greek escape, 2 new vacation homes. NBA legend Giannis Antetokounmpo has made a play off the court, purchasing 2 jaw-dropping vacation homes in Costa Navarino, Greece. This eco-luxury haven in the southwest Peloponnese offers serene landscapes, signaling Giannis's love for his roots and dedication to creating remarkable family moments away from the limelight. Designed by Greece's acclaimed Burger Cut soda firm, these single-story residences boast modern opulence. Each villa features 3 bedrooms, an expansive swimming pool, and vast outdoor spaces with BBQ courtyards. Panoramic Ionian sea views complete the indoor-outdoor living experience, ideal for relaxation or hosting elite gatherings. Giannis's villas are in the exclusive Rolling Greens community, offering direct access to the dunes, an 18-hole world-class golf course. Guests can revel in luxury with Costa Navarino's villa rental collection, blending premium hospitality with unmatched Greek charm. The development epitomizes sustainable splendor paired with top-tier leisure. Imagine unwinding at the seaside, immersed in the elegance of Costa Navarino. Giannis Antetokounmpo's homes symbolize heritage, success, and a luxurious escape. Dive into your dreams by exploring how elite athletes shape their lives both on and off the court, embracing sophistication, comfort, and family. Giannis has redefined living the Mediterranean dream. Why not you? Explore the pinnacle of eco-luxury at Costa Navarino, or follow his journey of success and heritage. Like, share, and comment below on how you stay inspired by your favorite stars. Subscribe for updates on elite lifestyle trends.